close to windward. Got tide against us now because the fog slowed us leaving Falmouth. So we've got wind and tide against us. The wind's not particularly strong, but it's just off our course. So we're kind of forcing Disarray to sail close to wind. We've brought the Traveller up. We brought the foresail in as far as we can, and we're motor sailing. Not doing too badly. 5.7 through the water, 4.8 over the ground with the tide, with 5 knots of wind, 5.4 knots of wind, pretty close on. Really, at times she's actually beyond close haul, but we're going okay.